I'm a little late putting this video out, but these are the tasks and announcements for this week. The textbook, we have the end of chapter 5, and then there's a few sections in chapter 6 that go along with the last section of chapter 5, so I kind of put them all together. The work examples, I didn't have you guys look at those for the first few chapters because I'm not going to put those on, but these are really good practice for these sections of the textbook. Slides are chapter 5, but it's just the end sections that cover the same material as 510 to 514. And then chapter 6, I only put those slides in this week so that you could focus on just the ones that you need to know for this week. The ALEKS is in OpenPy right now. You can still work on chapter 5 part 2 because it's in OpenPy, so you can work on anything. But again, this is a good time to catch up on old things. If you need help with any of the questions on ALEKS, come to my office hours because I could probably tell you really quickly, and I can show you how you can share your screen, and I can help you really quickly get through those problems. Or tell you don't even bother doing those because they're going to take too long. Then and remember on ALEKS, if you go to the syllabus, you just need to complete 85% of the pie. And I'm going to take more questions out so we can get to that 85% even quicker. So if you get to 85%, that counts as 100%. You're done. Videos, I'm going to post some today and tomorrow. I got this one coming up. So the videos will be again in short segments for material, and then I'll just post them up one after another. And the pre-quiz is up right now. The pre-quiz I tried to keep really basic. It's 5 questions, but take your time because I want you to get it right. You just need to go to the reading. So read what the question is, and I tried to word the question almost exactly like it is from the reading. So just make sure you go back and do the reading, then you can go back and find the answers to the questions. And this week is more, it's not necessarily easier, but it's more obvious than the last week's material. Quiz, I'll open it up on Friday like we did last week. I'm going to try to open it up earlier on Friday, but sometimes I just get busy catching up on Friday. But that's, again, this weekend, it's going to be open all weekend long. So all weekend until Sunday night. Remember, I have office hours and the Q&A sessions. I didn't get a lot of people coming to these, and that's fine. But if you need any clarification, just let me know on ALEKS, or I can help you with your lab, or I don't know, anything that you need clarification for. And then the test and quiz keys are up. I gave directions on how to find them because it's kind of weird how you have to go into My Grades and then go to the actual test and then figure out how to get the keys. I want you to go and get these because I want you to see if you got something wrong, because that would be a good time to come and ask me what you got wrong, because we have the final coming up in 4 weeks, and I'm going to try to make this new online material really similar to what I've asked on the test and quizzes. So it won't be exactly the same, but it'll be similar enough that you'll need to understand what you missed here so you can do well in the final, because I want everybody to do well in the final. The other thing that I'm trying to set up so we could do even better is I'm going to have another discussion board. So I've had one discussion board. If you didn't do it, just go back, it's up, it'll be open. But I'm going to have a discussion board this week that I'm going to post hopefully today. I'm going to use those discussion boards to give extra credit on the quizzes. So you want to be able to get those done, so I could I usually make it 3 points, so I can put those 3 points on the quiz. So if you miss a couple on the quiz, I can bring up your quiz score. I also am attempting to bring up quiz scores by letting you drop 2 of your quizzes. And sometimes people just miss the quiz. You just got busy, you didn't get on there, and something happened to your internet. So that's kind of why the extra quiz is dropped, but if you're able to take them all, it becomes your 2 lowest quizzes. And then the other thing that you already know about, but reminding you, Top Hat is free now. So if you want to do the essay, that's fine, but the Top Hat's free. You just got to go on. There's an announcement further down that you can see how to get it for free. And it counts as 100% quiz. So you get to drop 2 quizzes, and then I'm adding another quiz. It's going to be like you took a quiz and got 100%. So all of this, make sure you do it, because then that'll really build up your quiz scores. Okay, that's it for this week. More videos to come.